Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will be aboard Turkish Airlines Boeing 777-300ER from Mumbai to Istanbul. There was this Iran Air A330 parked right beside us, and this bird is our ride for the day.
My seat is going to be 14A, which is a nice window seat.
The Iran Air A330 now has been replaced by an Oman Air 737, yet we haven't started our pushback. Just after the Oman Air parked, the aerobridge got detached and we started our pushback,
Which was nearly a 180-degree pushback.
It will be a 6-hour 40-minute flight to Istanbul. Turkish Airlines and Indigo both operate on this route. Indigo operates wet leased planes from Turkish Airlines. Both depart early morning, just 20 minutes apart. Turkish Airlines 777s are configured in a 333 setup, which is a rarity these days.
Just after pushback, we started our taxi. There was some maintenance work going on at the airport, behind which you can spot the Kenya Airways 737 about to take off. And in the distance, another aircraft is lined up for landing. And now that airplane is landing, an Indigo landing, while one makes a turn to the gate and another one at hold shot point in the distance. Typical Indigo domination at Mumbai. There was this beautiful looking lot polished 7878 Dreamliner queuing behind us. After an approximately 10-minute taxi, we were ready to take off. You can enjoy the sound of the GE90 engines at full power as we take off. After a long takeoff run, we were airborne, and the sprawling landscape of Mumbai unfolded below us, revealing a striking contrast of slums, towering skyscrapers, congested traffic, and the constant movement of local trains. That's the aerial view of the all-new Bandra Warsaw Sea Link being constructed. Turkish Airlines also provides passengers in economy class with an amenity kit which includes socks and eye masks. The windows on my seat were not perfectly aligned with the seat, though the windows on the next one were. You can use websites like Aerolopa to check which type of window seat you are selecting. The link to that website will be available in the description box. About 100 minutes into the flight, the meal service began. My meal had a date pudding, water, some curd preparation, and surprisingly metal cutlery. Butter and jam were also provided. The main meal had parathas, egg bhuji, and some beans. All of that was really very tasty, and as you can see, I finished the entire main meal. Dining alongside such a spectacular view of the GE90 engine was truly a highlight. This was my pre-booked Hindu non-veg meal. I forgot to mention earlier, they also gave us salt and pepper to go with the meal. You can enjoy these amazing sand dune views when flying over Oman. Whenever flying outbound from Mumbai towards the European side, always select a seat on the left side of the plane. Then you'll be able to spot the Palm Jumeirah and the Burj Al Arab in Dubai if the weather is clear. Just behind the Palm Jumeirah, you can see another replica of it under construction. You can enjoy these views. One put off of the flight was that the air hostess asked me to close the window shades even though the sunlight was not an issue. In my opinion, you cannot do that on a morning flight when you are charging crazy for that seat. Most of the crew seemed to be disinterested. The IFE had games, movies, TV programs, and also live TV, which basically were some TV channels in air. As you can see, the screen was quite laggy, and when I tried to fill the feedback form, it never went to the second page. It was only a touchscreen, there was this remote provided, but it did not come out. The tray table lock was also crazily tight. You had to apply full force in order to open the tray table. My seat pocket just had a safety instruction card. The flight map was displayed continuously on the three overhead monitors. I enjoyed watching few episodes of sitcoms like Big Bang Theory, Friends. However, you don't need much entertainment when you have such a beautiful view out of your window. Except for live TV, it was an average IFE, would rate it 5 on 10, could have been better had it not been crazily laggy. There was this movable headrest, however, as you can see, even that wasn't operating real smooth. In case you wish to sit back and relax, they also provide you with blankets and pillow at the start of the flight. The lavatory at the front was huge compared to other modern day airlines. Leg space was also pretty good. There were no overhead AC vents per seat, just reading lights. 60 minutes before landing, they served us with some snacks which included a chicken sandwich, slice of cake, and soft drinks along with tea or coffee. Overall, I would rate this flight a 7.5 out of 10. Would be better had the tray table and headrest been smoother, overhead vents be present, and service can definitely be improved. This aircraft definitely needed some maintenance. The standout of this flight was definitely the metal cutlery and live TV. In the distance, you can see another aircraft flying. Now you can enjoy the scenic approach into Istanbul above the Black Sea. If you have any query, feel free to ask in the comments. It was a nice and smooth landing. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.